Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and this is a very unusual video. I would like to show you two completed counted cross-stitch kits that my mom finished. So this is one from Dimensions. As far as I remember the name is The Gate of Love or Love Gate, something like this. I do not know the specifications of this kit when it comes to the number of colors and stuff, but the size is 11 by 14 inches, counted cross stitch kit, and the stitches are of different kind. There are half stitches, full stitches, back stitch, as far as you see, and of course the detailization is exquisite. You know, the crosses are really very small. That is why the detailization of the kit comes out perfect. This is the first kit. She already framed it. The frame was purchased from Michaels, and it does not have the glass. She decided to go without the glass. The original image was a little bit smaller, but in order for her to fit it into this frame, she made it a little bit bigger. So she stitched some additional rows on the diamond painting. So this is the first one. And this is the second one. It is also framed. This is from a Russian company RTO. Here it is. It reminded her of her youth, of the town where she used to live when she was young. And this is a street. Again, it's not exactly the street where she lived, but it reminded her of the street. This image, this house, this church reminded her of the street where she used to live when she was young. This one is even smaller than the previous kit. It is 20 by 25 centimeters, really small. And it's kind of like semi-partial. As you can see, some of the space is not cross-stitched. And unlike the other kit, this one is cross-stitched on linen. You see, the canvas is very unusual. So this is linen. I don't know how she did it. I would never be able to do that. I do not see any holes in it and stuff. And the last but not the least, the progress of my project from Diamond Dots, Lady in Yellow Dress or Yellow Dress. There it is, almost done. Sparkles amazing. The selection of color is just perfect. I love the colors. Dark blue shades are amazing. Almost done. So this is all for today. Just wanted to share these two and a half kits with you. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon during my post review of this beautiful lady. Bye.